This one, I'm going to rewrite a little bit first, that square root of 5x. I'm going to rewrite this as sine of natural log of 5x to the 1/2 power. So in this problem, we actually have 4 parts to it. So working from the outside part is the sine. Then we have natural log. Then the 1/2, and last but not least, the 5x. So there's 4 parts we have to take care of here when we're doing the derivative using chain rule. And we work from our way outside in. So first thing is the sine. Derivative sine is cosine. So we're going to have cosine of everything in here. That all stays the same. I'm going to write it back as just square root of 5x for this though. So cosine of natural log of the square root of 5x. That's the derivative of the sine part. Okay, that's gone. Done. Now focus on the next part, natural log. Derivative of natural log is going to be 1 over whatever we're taking the natural log of, times the derivative of all that stuff. So we're going to have 1 over 5x to the 1/2, or I'm just going to write it again as square root of 5x. Alright, so natural log part, done. Next, the 1/2 is outside of the 5x, so the next step is the exponent. We're going to bring that 1/2 out in front, times 5x to the negative 1/2. That's the derivative of our exponent. And then last but not least, derivative of 5x is just 5. So again, this was your free response. That's correct, but if we're multiple choice, we'd have to do some simplifying. So this first part, I'm going to keep the same. Nothing to do to simplify that. I'm going to rewrite that negative exponent. So we've got this is 1 over square root of 5x times 1/2. And then the 5x to the negative 1/2 is like a 1 over square root of 5x. So we multiply these two square root of 5x's, square root of 5x times square root of 5x, that's just going to give us 1 over 5x. So we have cosine of natural log of square root of 5x times the 1 over 5x times 1/2 times 5. So our 5's are going to cancel out. And for our final answer here, we're left with a 2 and an x on the bottom. And this cosine of natural log of square root of 5x on top.